Personal footprints for insouciant sock knitters. How to start a personal footprints toe on DPNs. First thing we're going to do is to make a slip knot. Leave a fairly long tail and make a loop like so. Dive down with your fingers, grab a piece of the tail, and hold on here and pull these two apart. That gives you the slip knot. There it is. I've placed the slip knot on one DPN, and now I'm going to take a second DPN and put it on top of the first one, and take the tail, hold it off to the side. We won't be using it right now. Take the ball yarn, go underneath and behind the two needles and up over the top like a wave coming at you. Do this once, twice, 3 times. See how I have, and then as if though you were going to do a 4th time, don't, but put your finger there to hold it. Notice I have 3 strands across each needle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, plus the slip knot, which is there only as an anchor. Now take a 3rd DPN and wiggle this lower needle out of the way to make it easier to knit. And now we're going to knit the first 3 stitches on the top needle. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there they are, perfectly knit. And now we're going to rotate, right side facing. And now I want you to notice we have both the tail and the ball yarn in the same location, and there is a slip knot. Let's take it off. Pull it out. That's why it had to be a slip knot, because then you can pull it out and it doesn't leave a knot. And take a hold of both strands like this, and we're going to knit with both of them at the same time. So I want you to look. We have 3 stitches on top and 3 in the bottom, don't we? We're going to knit, so we've knit stitches 1, 2, 3 already a minute ago. And we're going to go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 using both strands. This means that out of each loop will come 2. In other words, we're doubling the number of loops. Watch. 1, 2, 3. This will complete the first needle. Rotate with the right side facing you, rotate clockwise, and knit across the top. 1. See how 2 come out of every loop? 2, 3. Okay, let's have a look at what we have. We have, as you can see, 6 and 6. And between them, we're growing some nice stockinette. This comes from Judy Becker, who invented Judy's Magic Cast-On, by the way. To continue, we let the tail yarn hang. We're not going to use it anymore. It's going to act like tails usually do. And we're going to knit across the top needle and the bottom needle. And each loop is knit as a stitch, because after all, that's what they are. They are stitches. Okay, we're just about at the end of the bottom needle, or that's the top needle. Rotate clockwise, right side always facing you. At any point, by the way, you can add in extra DPNs as you wish. I seem to be doing okay at the moment. And when I'm done with this, I will have knit 12 stitches, 6 on each needle. Now, we've never really done any increases. We simply knit 1 round with both strands, and that gave us all the extra stitches. And as you can see, continuing to grow lovely stockinette in between. It's going to be the middle of our toe. Now we're going to begin an actual increase round. Notice we have 6 stitches up here. That's what we have down below too. We're going to divide our 12 total stitches into 6 groups of 2 each. 1, 2, 3, and 3 groups of 2 each down here. And in every group of 2 stitches, we're going to knit the first stitch and then work a knit 1 front and back into the second one. So here I go, knit into the front of this stitch and knit into the back. And there we are. We've made 3 out of 2. I'm going to do this all the way around. As you can see, I've now done a complete increase round, increasing with these little bumps here, which are the purl bumps. And so we have a total now of 9 on each needle. At any point you can divide this on 3 needles, because then you'll have 2 stitch groups on each needle. At this point, if we divided it, we have 18 stitches, we'd have 6 on each needle. And I'll do that in my next round, which is a plain knit round, so you can see what it looks like. And here's how our toe is growing. As you can see, it's very nice, it's very smooth in the middle, and it's going to spread out to be a lovely, smooth stockinette toe. And you can continue with the instructions on page 18 in the book.